Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about uncovering the best beauty products to elevate your look and confidence. If you love defined, voluminous eyes that stay put all day, this one's for you. Today, we're looking at the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Mascara and Infallible Mechanical Eyeliner Pencil Bundle, two makeup staples that promise to transform your eye makeup game. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let's start with the mascara. The L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Mascara is designed to deliver 20 times more volume and up to twice the length in just one coat. That's a bold claim, but it's backed up with a formula that promises silky volume without the flaking, smudging, or clumping we all dread. The brush has a unique, soft bristle design that coats each lash, giving you a fuller, feathery, soft lash fringe effect, perfect for a dramatic look or everyday glam. As for the eyeliner, the Infallible Mechanical Eyeliner Pencil glides on easily with a rich, creamy formula that provides bold color with just one swipe. It's not only easy to apply, but it also comes with a built-in sharpener and smudger, allowing you to create everything from a sharp, defined line to a sultry, smudged look. And if you're someone who needs their eyeliner to stay intact all day, this one's for you. It's fade-proof for up to 16 hours. That means no touch-ups needed. Now let's talk about how these products perform when you actually put them to the test. Incorporating both of these into my daily makeup routine has been a breeze. The mascara applies effortlessly, and I love how lightweight it feels on my lashes. It doesn't weigh them down like some volumizing mascaras tend to do. It gave me that beautiful, full volume effect that makes my eyes pop, even on a busy day. I've worn it during long work hours and there was no smudging or flaking, which is a huge win. The eyeliner is just as impressive. It glides on so smoothly that you don't have to worry about tugging on your delicate eye area. I used it to create both a precise, classic cat eye look and a more dramatic smudged effect, and both worked out beautifully. What really stood out for me, though, was how well it lasted. I wore it in the morning and it didn't budge by evening, no smears or smudging around the eyes. But let's be honest, no product is without its drawbacks. One thing to note is that the mascara's formula can sometimes get a little too volumizing if you're not careful, especially if you go in for multiple coats. If you prefer a more natural lash look, you might want to go light on the second coat or opt for a different mascara. And while the eyeliner lasts impressively long, I did find that when I used the smudger, it could create a bit of a softer line than I wanted. For a bold, sharp look, you'll want to stick to a more precise application without blending too much. Now for the value. Considering the price of both of these products, I'd say you're getting a good deal. The mascara alone gives you the full, voluminous lashes it promises, and the eyeliner's staying power and versatility make it well worth the price tag. I've definitely found them to be long-lasting and effective in creating both subtle and bold eye looks, so I think the price is justified here. Comparing them to other products on the market, there are certainly more expensive mascaras and eyeliners out there, but these two perform just as well, if not better, at a more affordable price point. There are other budget-friendly options that might do the trick, but this combination of volume, longevity, and easy application makes these a solid choice. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The mascara tube is sturdy, and the eyeliner pencil's retractable feature makes it easy to use without worrying about sharpening. There's no mess, just quick, precise application. The mascara lasts a good while without drying out, and the eyeliner pencil's creamy formula stays smooth from start to finish. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, customer service. I've never had any issues with these products, but L'Oreal is known for being responsive if you need assistance. They've built a solid reputation for addressing customer concerns quickly, so you can feel confident in your purchase. As for updates, there haven't been any recent changes to these products that we need to address, so we're reviewing them in their current form. If you're on a budget but still want great volume and lasting eyeliner, you could consider trying drugstore alternatives. There are plenty of mascaras and eyeliners that come close to this quality at a lower price point, so it's all about finding the right balance for your needs. To wrap it up, the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Mascara and Infallible Mechanical Eyeliner Pencil Bundle deliver impressive results. The mascara offers major volume and length without clumping, while the eyeliner stays bold and true all day. They're great for anyone who wants long-lasting, defined eyes without breaking the bank. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, especially for those who want reliable performance and great value. Thank you for watching. The link to purchase the products is in the comments or description box, so feel free to check it out. If you've used these products, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.